Okay. Action.
Twitter, the phenomenon that has been hailed the invention of the century and enjoyed by more than 250 million active users.
Yeah, hi, my name's Abby Burton and I shoot Olympic track for Great Britain. I got into the sport through my grandfather, who's a gamekeeper, so I was brought up with